Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get your Slack channel workspace URL. This video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and send a link to your Slack channel to someone else. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to your Slack channel, then click on your Slack workspace name on the upper left-hand corner, then click on your workspace name again right over here. Now, down below here is the URL of your Slack workspace. So it's usually the name of your workspace .slack.com. So you can actually go ahead and copy this, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find your Slack channel workspace URL. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.